Hello, this is Mr. Miller. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make nice Korean food, which is Kimchi Bokkeumbap. It is really simple that you can make it with only 2 ingredients, which is rice and kimchi. But I'm gonna add a bit more, like Korean restaurant style. What I'm going to add is onion and spam. Of course, if you are vegetarian, you don't need to put spam. By the way, I found people feel weird about eating spam. But in Korea, people like having spam a lot. Some people even give spam as a gift on salad and chuseok. Alright, let's begin. First, what you need to do is to wash your hands. Now, let's prepare ingredients. What you need is kimchi, of course, spam, egg, onion, cooking oil, sesame oil, and rice. It is better to make it cool down because it will taste nicer. First, you need to chop the onion. And now cut the kimchi. I prefer using scissors. Easier. Otherwise, your chopping board will be messy around kimchi juice. Okay. And cut spam into a small size bite.
Many hours later.
Now, cut. If you like spam more, then put more.
Wow!
First, preheat the pan with the cooking oil. Okay, now you need to put kimchi and onion in the pan. Kimchi and onions. Put everything. When you stir fry kimchi, be careful of the oil, dangerous. Stir fry kimchi until it becomes yellowish. Now it became yellowish, so we can put spam. If the heat is so strong, then reduce a bit. Now, finally, you can put rice. Put the rice. One portion. And mix properly. You can also put sesame oil together. If you have kimchi juice left, just add together. Then nicer. Yeah. Keep stirring. Otherwise it's burnt. I think kimchi bokkeumbap is ready, so I'm gonna plate nicely. For tomorrow's shooting, I need some fresh eggs. So I'm gonna go to the chicken house to get some fresh eggs. So come with me. Wow. Can I have some eggs, please? Here's it. Ooh. Yes, so now I got some fresh eggs. Wow, they really, really nice to me. Put some seaweed on top. Finally, sesame seed. Now I made Kimchi Bokkeumbap. It's time to eat. Let me try Mr. Miller's Kimchi Bokkeumbap. Really good. Really. Alright guys, try to make Kimchi Bokkeumbap at home and let me know in comments if you liked your Kimchi Bokkeumbap. I will see you next time. Bye bye.